Hello, welcome to Sumatri channel. Today we are going to learn how to weight loss. First we have to know what are the fruits and vegetables gaining weight. First take 1 cup of fenugreek seeds, also called methi seeds. Fry them with kale pan. Then also we require cumin powder. Keep it take 1 cup of cumin seeds and fry them thoroughly. Make a smooth powder. Keep it 1 container. Roasted cumin powder. Roasted fenugreek seeds powder. In everyday life, a person is required 3700 ml of water and a woman is required 2700 ml of water. In everyday life, a person need drinking, eating, then working, sleeping. These are the daily activities. So first we have to know an average person how much water is required. So a man required an average 3700 ml of water and a woman is required 2700 ml of water. While eating, we have to chew thoroughly food. After waking up, at least two glasses of water we need to drink. After that, every hour we have to take 200 to 250 ml of water. Here I am telling some of the weight gaining fruits and vegetables. So first we have to know what are the weight gaining fruits and vegetables. Those are bananas, avocados, coconut, mango, dried fruits. Then also weight gaining vegetables, pumpkin, potatoes, sweet potatoes, beetroots, summer squash, yams, corn, green peas, some of the root vegetables. These root vegetables and these weight gaining fruits and vegetables only every week we have to take 100 grams. Do not exceed this. Here I am explaining some of the juices and some of the fruits and vegetables. Then we have to know what are the vegetables and fruits we can weight loss. So fruits are grapefruit, apples, berries, kiwi, melons, cherries, pears, peaches, lemons, carrots and 2 dates. Egg white, chicken breast, turkey, white fish, like tuna, cod, bass. These are the weight losing fruits. Some of then weight losing vegetables. We can eat all leafy vegetables like leaf greens, onions, mushrooms, tomatoes, peppers, asparagus, bottle gourd, snake gourd, angler gourd, tomatoes, onions, cabbage, cauliflower. If we are taking a meal, we have to divide into parts, but we do not avoid eating breakfast.
Here
Every
I
day
had taken
breakfast
one
is
cup
very
of
necessary. We have to avoid sugary
carrot
foods
pieces and
and
2 dates
every day
and 150
taking
ml of water
meats, and
drained well.
that means every day we do not take non-vegetarian food. Weekly once we can take only 100 grams. That we need to take afternoon lunch. After 6 p.m. not allowed to take non-vegetarian. Every day same juices do not drink. We have to change the fruits and vegetables. Here I am explaining some of the juices that may help you to weight loss. Here I had made cumin powder and fenugreek powder. These powders are helpful for reducing weight. So while if you are drinking any juices, just mix 1 teaspoon of cumin powder and drink and see within 1 month you must lose so much of weight. And every day we need 20 minutes of exercise. That means sit-ups or jogging is required. Here I had made buttermilk. This buttermilk help you weight loss. We can drink every day this buttermilk 2 times. But we do not add cold water. We have to add normal water, like purified water. Please like, share, comment, subscribe to my channel to more recipes. Thank you for watching. Here I had explained some of the juices. Those are orange juice, strawberry juice and cucumber juice, tomato, cucumber juice, courgette juice and carrot juice. These are helpful to reduce weight. Then also I am going to explain some more juices next video. If you are taking dried fruits, only take every day like almonds, cashew nuts 5, and if you are taking dates, only take 2 or 3 dates. Do not exceed this. We can take weight lossing fruits and vegetables also. Do not take more vegetables and fruits. Only we have to take below 200 grams. So every day drinking same juices, it will harm your health. First, morning breakfast we do not skip. Everyday life we need some energy to work, so we need to take breakfast compulsory. That may include milk. It need to be taken 150 to 200 ml milk. That non-sugary cereals we can add. Otherwise you are eating idli, dosa, puri, like puri do not allowed to take in the morning breakfast. You can eat upma, these type of tiffins. If you are eating these type of tiffins, if you are taking upma, add more vegetables and less rava, then make your breakfast. If you are making idlis, you have to add more pulses, less rice, idli, dosa. So chutneys, if you are eating chutneys, it need to be like ginger chutney, or we can take leafy vegetable chutneys. These type of chutneys we have to eat. If you are having habit of taking tea or coffee only after eating your breakfast, after 1 hour, just take 50 ml of tea or coffee. If you are having habit, do not take more than this. Lunch, we need to divide our meals into 5 parts. One part is rice. It need to be 100 grams cup boiled rice. It is maybe brown rice or white rice, or you can take any millets. And one portion is vegetables, cooked vegetables. It may be included pulses, or we can take 1 cup of greeny vegetables and 1 portion of raw vegetables. It will reduce your weight. Raw vegetables burn calories. Watery vegetables are very helpful to reduce weight. Those are bottle gourd, angler gourd, snake gourd, like tomato and onion, capsicum. These are some of the watery vegetables. It is very helpful to reduce weight. Then also 1 portion of, like, now 3 portions are completed. Now 4th portion is we have to take like a egg or chicken breast or fish, anything we can include. 1 portion is after eating lunch or dinner, after half an hour we have to take 1 glass of juice that included cumin powder. That drink is do not exceed 300 ml. Every time if you are taking vegetables and fruit juices, take vegetable juice afternoon and fruit juices in the night time. If you are taking dinner take before 7 o'clock, that or 7:30. Your dinner 2 chapatis or rotis, or we can take brown rice. Rice avoiding is very important. Can take any type of rotis or chapatis that include a lot of vegetables. That we have to take below 200 grams vegetables. Night time drink buttermilk. This do not add cold water, normal water, purified water. We have to add to buttermilk. This will get nice sleep and reduce your weight. After grinding, add remaining water. Grind again. 1 cup of yogurt. Add half teaspoon of salt and your lemon juice. Mix it. Add little water. Here I had taken 1 cup of yogurt and 250 ml of water, and add your 1 teaspoon. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Your coriander, green chilies, cucumber, tomato, onion, ginger, and stir that. Now your weight loss buttermilk is ready. I hope you like this recipe. This is very useful for weight loss. Thank you.